Welcome back, everyone, to another Star Wars Unlimited Legends of the Force booster pack opening. Let's go ahead and get this started. Now, at the end, you should be seeing Carbonite pulls. What I'm really hoping for is a Darth Revan. Something Darth Revan. I already have his lightsabers in foil. Alright, but for our leader, we have Ahsoka Tano, and I just opened a pack that had Ahsoka Tano. That kind of stinks. There's that. Strangled Cliffs. Actually, we just opened that, except for it wasn't hyperspace. Backside, we have Force Token, the Force. Alright, Force Slow. Curious Flock. Corrupted Saber. J-Type Nubian Starship. Paladin Training Corvette. Graceful Purgil. Knight's Saber. Trident Assault Ship. Heirloom Lightsaber. And then for uncommon, Sensei Tim, or Say Tim, Say Tim, Tin, Orda Singh, Calm in the Storm, and Bendu for a legendary. And for our foil, we have Anakin Skywalker, and that's a special.